Oppo's latest Find X series phone called Oppo Find X9 is now official in China, with cutting-edge Hasselblad camera features for a pro-level photography experience. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo Find X9 features a 6.59-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 3600 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by unspecified Gorilla Glass on the top. The screen is HDR10+ certified, and it has Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset, paired with Mali G1 Ultra MC12 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB, 512GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo Find X9 sports an Hasselblad-powered triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.6 aperture plus 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view, and there is another 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 120 frames per second, and it also supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture, and it can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 16 out of the box, with ColorOS 16 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 7025 mAh battery, with 80 watts wired flash charging support, and 50 watts wireless flash charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 156.98 by 73.93 by 7.99 millimeters, and it weighs around 203 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo Find X9 has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in space black, titanium gray, velvet red, and silk white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo Find X9 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Oh,